So we're going to discuss a way that you can purchase a home with zero down. We're going to go in deep on VA loans. And today I have with me Aliya.
Hi, Aliya Dickson with Primary Residential Mortgage.
All right, perfect. And we are going to discuss the VA loan and kind of dispel some myths and get it clear in your head. So what's a VA loan?
A VA loan is a federally backed loan by the Department of Veteran Affairs. And what it does is that it allows people to buy their home with zero down.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay. And so, with other zero down options, you have to have mortgage insurance, for example. I mean,
Yeah.
VA?
No, you do not, which is a
Okay.
really, really great benefit.
Yes, that's an excellent benefit. Okay. So are there different types of VA loans?
Yes. So there's just the regular purchasing of a home. Then you
Mm-hmm.
can also do a cash out refinance. We have a really great program called a one-time close construction loan where you only have to close once and you are able to build the house of your dreams for 0% down. And then there's also a VA renovation loan as well.
Okay, perfect. That's awesome. So there's a lot of different options with VA loans.
Yes, lots of options.
Okay. So how does one know if they qualify? I know the sort of like eligibility algorithm is complex, but what is the basic idea?
Well, so the basic idea is that
So how do you know if you qualify for the VA loan?
so anyone who's a veteran, active duty, surviving spouses of people who passed away while serving in the military, reservists and National Guard who have been in for 6 years or served 90 days active duty.
Oh, wow. Awesome. Okay. And so it's like applying for a regular loan, but for the VA loan, you need a couple of extra documents, right?
Yes.
Okay,
yes,
and
you
what
do.
are those?
So it's going to be DD 214 for people who have been released from the military, so veterans.
Okay.
And then you're going to have your statement of service letter for active duty.
Okay, perfect.
Yep.
Okay. And then is there some kind of requirement on like the credit score side or?
Yeah, so it's going to be 620 minimum credit score for most of the mortgages. It will be for a cash out refinance since you're allowed to take out 100% loan to value
Yes,
of your
which is
house.
awesome.
It's amazing.
Yes, can't do that with
only
everyone.
Yeah, you cannot. So with that one, you do have to have a minimum credit score of 640.
Okay, perfect. All right, so can you buy any kind of house, or are there some restrictions on the type of house that would qualify for the VA loan?
So certain houses like houseboats or co-ops, those would qualify, or commercial properties, yeah. But you're able to buy single-family homes, condos, townhouses, as well as you can buy up to a fourplex.
Oh, so you can buy a fourplex. Excellent.
Lots of options.
Yeah, there's tons of options, and it would have to be a primary residence.
Yes.
So that's
Yes.
kind of like a kicker. You have to live there, and it has to be your primary home. Is there a limit on the number of times, like how many properties you can use to, finance?
No, there's not. There's
Okay.
not. It's a really great program for that.
As
And there's a
long
lot
as
of
it's
people who
primary.
go through and, it has to be your primary residence. But then there will be a lot of people who relocate in the military, and so almost every time that they relocate their family, they go and they buy a new home with their VA loan.
Okay, perfect.
It will change around your fees. They'll increase if you've already used it before, but it is still an option for you. So great option.
All right, so this kind of brings me to an interesting question. So I know a lot of people want to do this, like they want to make wealth or, accumulate lots of real estate. Are you able to do that with the VA loan? Like, can you buy like your first primary residence with a VA loan and then have that loan, stay there for a certain amount of time, I don't know, X years, and then move on to that next property and purchase the next one with a VA loan?
No, so you actually have to have your certificate of eligibility, and so a good way to think of it sort of as a line of credit. You can only have one at a time. So your options would either be to go through and refinance that initial house into a different kind of loan. You could do FHA, USDA, conventional, up to you. And then you would have to use that VA to purchase the new one. But it can be a great way to do it because you may have built equity in that first house.
Right.
So then
Right.
it could be a great deal for you.
So if you had equity in it, okay. Because I know a lot of times, sometimes I'll have clients that want to leave their home and leave it as a rental. So if they did that, they would refi it.
Yep.
And then they could move on to their next property.
Yep, exactly.
Okay.
And use that VA loan.
Okay, perfect. All right. So let's summarize it. So we were talking about how to buy homes with zero down, and this went in deep on the VA loan. So why don't you break it down? What is the overall summary level
Okay.
info on it?
So VA loans are for military. Just to make that a little bit more general, you have to have a minimum credit score of 620 for most of them, 640 for cash out refinance. You can have 100% financing, so that means you're putting zero down, which is amazing.
Yes, it is.
And there's no mortgage insurance on the loan.
That's awesome. That's so awesome. And it has to be for a primary residence.
Primary residence, yes.
You could buy a quad though.
Yep, you could
buy
buy
some multifamily. Okay, excellent. And you can use it as many times as you want to.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah. Well, that's excellent. Okay, well, great. Well, YouTube, that is our video. Please check down below, leave your comments, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you again soon.
Yeah, and feel free to give me a call. I'll have my information down below to see if you qualify or to see what you will qualify for.
Yeah, perfect.
Awesome.
Thanks.
Thank you.